Hi everyone, Sandra here from A1 Tribe and Happy Holistic Women. Now, just quickly about finding the book Dyslexic the Silent Difference. You can't do a Google search for it, you won't find it. All sorts of other things come up. But if you go directly into Amazon with the amazon.co.uk or amazon.com, you can get into it. So I'll just type the name in. It usually comes up by now. I don't know what's happened. But it should come up as you start to type it in, and you get the cover, the workbook, the grey cover. Now, at the moment, it's a really weird price because I'm stuck on some of the graphics in the book, and it won't let me move beyond this to change the price of it. So you can hold off on that one, or you can contact me directly at A1 Tribe Ltd at gmail.com. That's A1 Tribe Ltd at gmail.com, and I can get one out to you. But at the moment, it's like really a silly price. But in the new year, it should start on the 1st of January 2018. Crossing fingers, toes, and everything else that we can cross. The school resource and parent handbook will be out. At the moment, it's a digital download, but the paperback will be out. It's not been updated yet, so it's still got this old one on there. So, but the paperback will be out. Yeah, it should be out the 1st of January 2018. If you don't see it, it's on its way, but it has been put in to be printed on Amazon on their printing site. It's all been done, so yeah, we're just waiting for it to happen, and it's all been agreed. So yeah, wait for the school parent resource to come out, and that's the one with the black cover. You can't really see it too well on here. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Yeah, that's the cover for it there, and the other one is the blue one. Okay, so that was just to help you with finding the book on Amazon. So that's Sandra signing out. Take care. Bye-bye.